Welcome to another video on my Raspberry Pi 3 B in combination with the PiXtend PLC, Programmable Logic Control. Last time I was trying to get a signal from analog output right here, and that had an output that I didn't expect. Always possible with experiments. So I'm going to look at it again. What I'm also trying to do is reinvestigate serial output. Haven't done that for a while. And some more stuff that can be observed. The Raspberry Pi is programmed in Python using a special version of Raspbian Linux, and as you can see, probes all around for making signals visible on an oscilloscope. So let's start the program and see whatever happens or not. And this is once again the screencast view. So here is a Tiger VNC environment with the program running. So this is the desktop of the Raspberry Pi 3, Python code, terminal in which to run the Python. This is SSH, necessary to start VNC, otherwise I can't run this. And here I have Minicom for serial interface action. Then of course oscilloscope. These two are for analog output, and these two are the serial outputs. And now, you can see it here, a vague band. So what I have to do is change the time base. And I am not quite sure if that is a good thing or not. Look, here you have the real time base set. But let's run the program and see whatever happens. Apart from LEDs here, not much is happening. And here something else has happened as well. Something was sent, but the big question is, of course, oh wait, is the baud rate alright? Let's take a look at that. Oh yes, it is. No need to look at it. Here I can already see it is set correctly. So something has been sent, but I can't determine what exactly. Now let's press this. And then here should be a change somehow. that these LEDs are going, or these relays, but I don't see it happen. And the other LED should be light up as well, but it is too vague to notice. Unless, of course, and that is another issue, this wire is not connected properly. Happened before. Let me try again. And I'm not seeing that it glows even for a little bit, so there's something not quite connected with this wire. And here nothing is happening either. Oh yeah, you can see that the signals are being sent, so that is something that works at least. Alright, I have now improved this connection, so this wire essentially, and it does work. So when I now press this button, this LED goes on and that LED merely shimmers, so it does work. Another thing is regarding the serial connection. Studying this code once again, I realize that I won't see anything here because anything is going in. So from this computer towards the PLC and Raspberry Pi. So if I select this and there it holds, but there's nothing to be shown. So what I am going to do is making sure that everything is going to be sent from. And in order to do that, no, I have mixed two things. So this will be SIO. If everything is alright, I will use there. That is more familiar to me, thinking as I'm going. So set right and then set right bytes. That was another attempt. Put everything in bytes. So I will put this away. So now I will see how, to what extent this works or not. Save, interrupt, and go again. Data left is not defined. Okay, so I have to take this in. Go. But what am I seeing here? That is a big question. What do I see here? I don't think I see anything, and here I don't see anything at all either. So configure, port setup. Here I have set no control. So this is no control. A short timeout. but then no parity or no stop bit on one parity. So the question is, once again, going deeper, have I done that? Because everything has to be set exactly the same. So that is something that I have to check. So now I have verified everything that is for the serial port. So right here, this is T2I USB, but this is actually seen from the computer. This is T2I S0 as seen from the Raspberry Pi side. So this is not exactly the same as this, but that doesn't matter. What does matter is that the baud rate is the same. Baud rate says 11/2500, same here. Then byte size 8, correct. Parity none, correct. Stop bit 1, correct. Parity can be none and even. In this case it's none. Stop bit can be 0 and 1. Byte size can be 7, 6, 9, whatever you choose. Convention is 8. So this is exactly the same. Then hardware flow control and software flow control are both false, which indicates no. So change read setting, actually none, because this is the way it works. So go, and then something should be sent. In this case, hello should be sent, and I'm not seeing it. Oh, that is also a nice one. Yeah, it says write the bytes and write the byte array. So bytes should be, hello should be sent twice. But I can't see it happen. Again, I know that in the beginning of this series of videos I have spent a lot of time getting it done, but somehow it's not working, and if someone can tell me what I'm doing wrong, I would be very appreciative. I will be very appreciated. Well, at least the data for analog output is being signaled, so at least something works then. Let me see if something, if anything is overseen. Flush input, yeah, flush input doesn't matter because there's nothing coming in, so that is no use. And I'm afraid for now that may be it. So as a last test, I will do minicom on both sides. See if that leads to something. This time, because I've tried it before. So new window. It's been a while, so can I get it forward just like this? I could test, of course, but serial is not a PiXtend thing. It is, however, a pure Python thing. Here we have it. No, not leaving. I want to configure what is here. Okay. No. Both no. That's it. Exit. And once again, it doesn't work at all. So what am I doing wrong anyway? Who knows? And that's it for this series of experiments. With analog output, serial in and output, and an LED. Yeah, if you know a solution for the things I'm facing, please tell me. Leave a comment, do a suggestion, send me an email, whatever. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment or suggestion, very much appreciated. You can also follow me via Instagram and Twitter, and please show support also by making a donation via either PayPal or Wired, which you can find on my website. You can also become a patron and have your name mentioned on my website and with my videos. Please take a look under this video for more information, or wait for the final segment. So this is going to be continued. Have a nice day. Stay safe. Bye bye.